So a little bit about my project that I'm doing this summer is I'm assisting Dr. Troop in looking for brown dwarf stars and specifically companions that rotate around them. A brown dwarf star is the color brown. It's typically between 13 to 70 times the mass of Jupiter. But unlike other stars, they're not able to sustain hydrogen fusion like typical stars are. So they don't give off light quite like regular stars do.
Brown dwarf companions are rare. Because they sort of are a missing link between stars and planets. So they sort of they're in this gulf between these two types of objects, and we think they basically form in different ways. So binary stars, a star orbiting another star, forms in one way. Planets, we think, form in a different way. So brown dwarfs are this sort of in-between object that it's particularly rare to find them orbiting other stars. And so it might tell, by finding more of these things, we might be able to start figuring out exactly how they form. Do they form more like planets? Do they form more like stars?
The anticipation for what the research is going to reveal is that at this point we've moved slightly in a different direction. So we are still looking for the brown dwarf stars and their companions, but we've also found some interesting data of things that are emitting UV rays, gamma rays, and X-rays that could mean that there are potential black holes around some of the things that we're looking at.
Normal stars do not give off X-rays and gamma rays. That's just not a thing. So that indicated to us that there is something different there. So usually the only way you get X-rays and gamma rays from a star is either A, it's exploding, which we would have seen that. B, there's something called an accretion disk happening. That is that material is getting ripped off the star and dumped onto a more compact companion, either something like a neutron star or a black hole, like Adam mentioned. We know this exists, so this is how the first black holes were discovered. But that was not the intent of this study. These are also relatively rare things to stumble upon, so they're interesting finds, and we're interested in seeing if these things are bona fide and actual sort of black hole compact companions to these stars.
To me, it was really exciting to see all of this, particularly because black holes is what got me interested in astronomy in the first place. So being able to actually explore a little bit of this while continuing to assist Dr. Troop in looking for brown dwarf stars has been really, really exciting and a lot of fun.